Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions. On the application of DuckDuckGo, you will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your attention and your watching.